In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple yet effective divider line in Webflow. Whether you're designing a sleek and modern site or something a bit more traditional, a well-placed divider line can do wonders in organizing your content and enhancing your layout's visual appeal. So, let's dive into the process and go step by step to help you master this. First things first, we'll utilize a div block to create our divider line. The div block is a fundamental building block in Webflow, acting as a versatile container for customization. You'll want to head over to the Add Elements panel, a simple process that starts by finding the plus icon, typically located in the left toolbar of your Webflow interface. Click on it, and from the array of options, select the div block. Once selected, hold down with your mouse and drag this div block over to the precise spot on your page where you want the divider line to appear. Imagine it like a thin but functional separator that can help define sections of your content. Once you've placed your div block, it's time to adjust its size to create the divider line. For this, you'll want to set the width according to how long you envision your divider to be. Maybe you want it to span the width of the whole section, or perhaps just a small part. It's entirely up to the design concept you're aiming for. In contrast, the height should be set to 1 pixel. This minimal height transforms any div block into a sleek line, perfect for subtle separation of content without drawing too much attention. Now, let's add a splash of personalization by altering the divider line's color. To do this, scroll down within the Style panel until you reach the border section. Here, you can choose the exact color you want your line to be, whether it's a bold black, a subtle gray, or a bright red to really stand out. Selecting a color is all about matching or complementing the overall color scheme of your website design. Additionally, you can modify the thickness of this divider line should you desire something a bit more pronounced. This is done by changing the border width in the same section. Perhaps a 2-pixel width would provide the robust effect you're after. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and customization steps, you've successfully added a refined divider line to your Webflow site. These lines, while simple, play a meaningful role in guiding the viewer's eye through the page, ensuring your design appears organized and intuitive. So go ahead and experiment with different placements, widths, and colors. Happy designing, and until next time, keep refining those skills.